So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can read messages that have been deleted on WhatsApp. Now without wasting further time, let's explain to you the setup that we have here. We have the first device here on which we have a certain WhatsApp number, and likewise we have a different device with a different WhatsApp number. Now say my friend uses the first mobile to send me a message which I receive on the second phone, but say he goes ahead and deletes this. Now what happens is it appears to me that the message has been deleted. So how do I recover the deleted, or how do I read this? So on the device that I want to read the deleted message, I request that you head towards the Play Store and download an app that's called as WhatsRemote Plus. Now please note there are many third-party applications, but this works the best. Let's go ahead and install this. Wait for the app to be installed. Now the app has finished installing. Let's tap to open it up. Any such application which works towards recording of messages, it will request for notification access, for which you have to click on accept and then head towards your settings, go to notification access and then turn this on. Now this will allow notifications, but notifications for what? So basically what happens is, since this is pertaining to WhatsApp, you will have to give access to the WhatsApp application and also any other application, but in present we will turn this on for WhatsApp because we want to recover the deleted messages for WhatsApp. Let's click on next, and well, you have an option of detecting and saving the deleted files or not. That's completely your choice. You also want to give access to photos, medias and file. Don't worry, you can do this. It's a trusted app. And now what happens is, anytime a message is sent by your friend, you will get a notification here. So like anytime something happens here, so say your friend types something like this and sends, so you get a WhatsApp notification. But now under WhatsApp you also get this notification. Now in case the person goes ahead and deletes this, you will see that it still appears in the handle. In WhatsApp, what will happen is that you will see that the message has been deleted, but in the application you will see that you still get to see what was typed. So again, let's try this. He writes something, so like you will get this as a WhatsApp notification, and also you will get this as a WhatsRemove notification. Now in case he goes ahead and deletes this, it will go away from your WhatsApp, but it will stay here on the application. So guys, this is how simple it is. I would wish to answer two questions. Some people write how to recover or read a deleted message prior to the installation of the application. We are sorry, this app doesn't support that. Also, this would not work for iOS devices. Please note that this is not the only application which is capable of doing this. Now that you know the process, you may try different third-party applications, but our experience suggests that this is one app that really works well. Well, that's all from my side. In case you think the tutorial is helpful, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you get notifications of work. And please, please, please do share this with your friends. Thank you.